Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at 2014 Chevy Cruze. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Taking a look inside at the cloth interior. Seats are clean. Two-tone interior definitely gives a sharp feel. Swinging around to the back end now. On the back end, you have a rear backup camera. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk now. There's a 60-40 split on the rear seats. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. We're going to take a look inside now. You have Cruze, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted to the steering wheel. Full touch screen that includes your stereo, and you have your climate controls here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Cruze on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.